Okay, this brings us to our last case, the antenna now. Okay, so this is basically a positive terminal. This is a negative terminal on their battery. So this is going to be a net positive and this negative. So let's first of all draw our potential lines in, because we know this line has got to all be at the constant potential of 1.5 volts. So this is the whole, and this is all going to be at a constant potential, or plus 0.75 if we said, and this could be minus 0.75. There's a potential difference of 1.5 volts between each side. So let's first of all start by drawing our, okay, I don't want this. I would like to use, let's get it red. Yes. And let's see about the width. Let's make it about 2 points. Okay. All right. So we're going to start with our positive equal potential lines. Our equipotential surface is going to look something like this. Remember, this is all going to be, because the surface is all, so we can probably drive around, draw, and we'll join it. Whoops, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, let's go to my object properties. The pen I want to be red. The fill I want no fill. Okay, great. Okay, I'm going to try another line. This one I want no fill, and I want graphic, and I want a red pen. Okay, let's continue on. So this will be the negative terminal. Let's move across. This is going to be slight constant potential. The surface all has to be the same potential, so our potential line is going to go right around the corner. Okay, they can't cross, so it's going to be very close there. And we close it. Good. We can also probably think there's going to be like a zero potential line. It's going to come somewhere through here, right through the middle. Looks something like that. Maybe I should probably send it somewhere up here somewhere. Okay, that will be our zero line. So I could quickly put a few notes on it. 0. I'm going to put this at 1.5 volts. This at minus 1.5 volts. Okay, once I've drawn my potential lines, I'm going to get an idea what my electric field is going to be looking at. So this will go to green, not yellow, cancel. Green. Okay, well, you can see here the distance between the lines is very long, so the electric field is going to be quite weak here, but there is going to be some electric field going from positive to negative. Okay, let's do let's try to do something like this. But here you can see there's an awful lot. So that means the electric field is going to be very strong around this corner. Oops. I don't want you there. Why aren't you deleting? Okay, he doesn't want to delete. Okay, let's get a few more lines on here. So basically, there's going to be a very strong electric field in this little area. Okay, so we have a very strong electric field in this area. And in order to provide the electric field, there's going to be a large collection of charges here too. Okay, let's start to put our charges in here. I'm going to get my character here. Object properties, I don't want to be touching that line. I want to get rid of that line. Let's get to my text character. So this here's going to be the plus. So there's going to be a few pluses on this guy. and a lot right here in the corner, right where the electric field is strongest. Is going to, they're going to all going to concentrate in this little area. Oops, not that guy. I want another negative signs. Our minus charges are electrons. There's going to be a few hanging around here, right? Along the edge. Right, we know they go on the edge of the conductor. They're not going to be on it because there's within a conductor we've got no charge. But there's going to be quite a bit right at this end. We're going to have a large collection of charge here. Okay, so that's basically what's going to happen here. You can see how the potential changes very drastically in this area. High electric field, large concentration of positive and negative charges. Now, this is very important, this structure for us as electrical engineers, because this is a basic antenna structure. Now, if we want to generate light waves or electromagnetic radiation, how we can start to generate light waves and electromagnetic radiation is to start to change the polarity. So in other words, we change this from positive to negative, positive to negative. We'll be able to start to generate waves and electromagnetic radiation. So let's quickly switch our colors to yellow. Okay, so as I start to oscillate, turning them positive, I'm going to be able to start to generate, that's right, light. I'll start to be able to generate light coming out of it. And there's my simple antenna structure, and we can understand because the positive and negative charges are going to switch back and forth each time as we switch this battery direction.